Yo, first order of the day. We've got a McDonald's. This one is $10 going 5.5 miles.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Here we go. Thank you.
Thank you. It's been like half an hour and I haven't gotten the next order yet, so not looking too hot. 40 minutes now, still no order. I don't know what to do. I tried to drive around to a different spot, hoping something would pop up because I was closer to it, but nothing. Okay, we finally got something. This is on Earn by Time now. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this is a Jack in the Box going 5 miles. Oh yeah, if we don't get a couple good orders today is pretty much just in the trash. Just about an hour wasted already. Not good.
Have a good day.
You too. Ooh, that was a good one actually. Total for that was $10 and change. Next order up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's $13 going 6 miles, 8 items. The numbers on this order don't look amazing, but looking at the items, I think I can do it pretty quickly. Yeah, that order was super easy. And it only took me 20 minutes to do. Could have been 18 or 19, but I actually took 2 wrong turns on the way here. Whoops. Just got the next order. This is a Muchas Gracias going 5.5 miles. Hello.
Christopher, right?
Yeah. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Total for that order was $14. Let's go. That was a really, really good order. Thank you very much. Next up, we've got a Wendy's. This one is going 3.5 miles.
Thank you.
Yep. You have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Total for that order was $6. Next up, we've got an order going across the river. We got a Chick-fil-A going about 9 miles. Ah, I forgot this was going so far away. Oh my goodness. I should have just unassigned it. I don't want to do it. Total for that order was $20. Okay. Might actually be worth it because I still got to drive all the way back. Was just heading back into my zone, but I got an order for Starbucks. I think this one said it was going 4.5 miles. Yep. You have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Total for that last order was $6 and change, and they just gave me an order that's taking me even further out of my zone. We got a stack going to the same person, I think. This is Black Rock Coffee and a place called Cadillac Cafe. $20 going 8 miles.
All right, here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Don't know how I'm gonna get out of here. That place was super busy. Well,
Someone's like Doug's got, you know, this one Liz and
I'm putting the door.
Excuse me, squeezing right by you.
And they're still working on it. Probably just like 5 more minutes.
Okay, I'm gonna move my car. I'll be back.
Thank you for waiting.
Thank you. Have a good day. Holy! This stack was a mistake and a half. There you are.
Thank you so much.
You have a good day. Okay, that was stressful. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna put everything on pause. I need to get back into my zone because traveled so far away. You know what? We're going home. I've been sitting here for like 10 minutes. I just zoned out as soon as I parked. Current time is 10:21. Current total, we are at 86. And if I get the full tip from that last stack that took forever, should bring it up to 101. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.